Hey guys, this is Brian at Bulb, and we're going to be talking about navigating your account. So when you first sign into Bulb, you know that you're signed in when you see your display name, and you see your name in the top right hand corner. Now let's start at the top and talk about these buttons. From the left, anytime you see this Bulb logo and you're signed into your account, you can click on this to come back to this main profile page here. To the right, you can toggle to change your language for your Bulb page. I'm going to leave mine on English. Working our way to the right, if you click on your name, that is actually going to expand out some additional options. And you can click that X to close it. The same functionality happens for this triple line menu button. And I'm going to close that out. So clicking on your name or this triple line menu button is going to do the same thing. So let's look at this expanded menu. Starting with activity, you are going to see all of your activity feed. Anybody that has liked or has shared something to you, you're going to see it inside of activity. Click on groups to view the groups that you belong to inside of Bulb. We're going to be talking about groups later. Click on likes to view any pages or collections that you have liked. Working our way to your right, click here to open up your asset library. Your asset library is where any file that you've added to Bulb lives inside of this asset library. So if you create a page and add an image, it's going to save that image in your asset library as well. You can click here to go back to your main profile, which is the same functionality as clicking on our Bulb logo. Let's open this back up. And then click on more to see more options. If you are an organization admin, you are going to see this organizations button. Everyone should see their settings button. That'll take you to your account settings where you can add an additional email, add an additional password, and tweak your settings inside of there. The Resource Center takes you to Bulb's Resource Center with several blog posts, help articles, resources, videos, user stories, templates, you name it, it lives in the Resource Center. This button takes you back to bulbapp.com, which is our main page. This button will restart your help tour. If you notice when you logged into Bulb for the first time, you got an interactive help tour. If you would like to restart that, click on this button. Click here for contact information for Bulb and our terms and privacy. And then of course on the right is our sign out button. So to close out this expanded menu, I'm going to click the X on the right hand side. Now the next button over is our question mark. So this is where you're going to go if you need any help inside of Bulb. So let's click on that, and that is going to open up our support site, which is help.bulbapp.com. And here you can view help articles. You can also submit a request, or you can use our chat feature. All right, I'm going to close that page and go back to my portfolio. On the right, we have a button here, and this is where you can click on to create a page or create a collection. Most people, though, create pages and collections from these blue buttons down here, but you can do so from up here as well. And then the search icon is going to search Bulb portfolios for content. So that takes care of everything up top here. Now, working our way down, we notice that I have my profile information, I have my display name, I have my cover image, I have my profile image, and my description right here. You can edit all of those things. This is where you can also go to create a page or create a collection quickly and easily. Working our way down a little further, we have some various tabs here. Now, everyone should have this resume and portfolio tab, and that is how you can toggle between building your resume and building your portfolio. If you have any students that you are a parent of that are using Bulb, you can add them. And once you do, you are going to see the student activity tab. So this is only visible if you are a parent of a student that is using Bulb and you have added them to your settings. All right. And that is going to get you through the basics of navigating inside of Bulb.